Welcome to another edition of Socrates Explains Everything. My name is Socrates. I like to explain things. Today we're going to look at how to enjoy a windy day. If you happen to live in a place that gets windy, Earth, at some point you'll find yourself on a windy day. Stuff will fly into your mouth. How do you enjoy such a thing? Well, I think you should take a nice bike ride on some sort of nice localized bike path if you happen to live in a place that's got them. If not, you could watch videos about a place that's got these things. Go on. I'm not going to kill it, it's just a bug. And then, you know what it's like, because it's like a day that's windier. It's harder to be heard, especially on a microphone. But if the quality of your video is such that what you're saying, it's not that important, it's a nice day to make a video. So I decided on this windy day that I'd make a little video, and I wanted a topic, so I thought I'd talk about stuff. And that's what you can do on a windy day if you wanted to make a video on a windy day. At least that's what I did. So, I really got to end these videos on a better pizzazz, No, I forget it. Never mind.